Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to recover delete photo from your phone. Maybe you have deleted any picture from your phone. So now this video will help you to recover that picture. Here you go to Play Store, and you type disk digger. You type this digger photo recovery. You type disk digger photo recovery. So this disk digger photo recovery, you type and you install it. Good. After you have installed it, you open here. It does two things. We have search for lost photo, search for lost video. So when you have a video that you have deleted it, you can recover that video from here. You can also recover the lost photo from here. So both video and pictures you can recover through this disk digger. So let's search for the photo. So you click on the first one, search for lost photo. You click, you go, it is installing, it is searching, it is searching, it is searching, it is searching, it is searching. So it is recovering all the pictures that you have deleted from your phone. So all the pictures you deleted, it will recover all. So take your time, everything will be recovered. Just recovering it. So take your time. So this is the pictures that has been deleted. So this is the pictures that has been deleted. Oh, that is not on here. You have lost it. So here it is telling you would like to recover lost file. So they will tell you which one will you want to save to. We want to save the recovery pictures to. First, we have the recommended one. Save the file to an app on your device, such as email, or save it. The second one, save the file to a customer location on your device, or upload. So which one do you want? Maybe you want the first one, second one, third. You choose. Good. So here you pick where the picture that as I have selected, you pick where you want to save it to. where you want to save it. Where you want to save it to. So here, let me see if I'll create. So I'll create a folder. So the folder will be BB. Okay. Let me see the BB. So I'll use this one. So the folder that I create, this is the folder. So I'll allow the picture. You say allow this picture to access the BB file. So I'll go to allow. So it's moving, or it will move all the pictures to the BB. It will move all the pictures. You do same when you are deleted your video. Then you do see your video. You do save. So the first one is lost picture, and the second one is lost video. So when you lost your video, you do same.